name is Harrie Schoots, and I am AATCC. I wanted to mention that, as you go along, it is an individual membership organization. So you make AATCC what you want of it. The effort you put in is what you get out. And in my case, I went from being somebody who got pizza at a student meeting to somebody who realized there was no meeting in Texas. And so I was sitting at my dinner table once with my kids, and they said, "We want to be, a chef, or I want to do what Papa does." Right? So I said, "Well, if you want to do what I do, I want you to go to school somewhere near our house in Texas, maybe, and I need to figure out if there's a textile industry in Texas." And lo and behold, there's 500 students within driving distance of Dallas, I found out, unserved by AATCC. And long story short, we got the needed signatures. We have bylaws being drawn up, and a Texas section has been formed and meet twice a year in Dallas. Our first meeting was at Hagar's corporate headquarters, and it's just going to be a great way for that part of the country to gather on a regular basis, not have to travel too far. Geographically has always been a difficulty for people in the Texas region to go to A Squared meetings. So, it's as simple as somebody having an idea and getting things done. AATCC is actually a great place to be in. I would say that AATCC is also a global institution, and I get to travel to China and Taiwan and Europe and those places quite a bit. So what's interesting is when you run into the factories that are producing goods and you're there and they find out you're on the board of directors of AATCC, all of a sudden you get a nice tour of their new labs where they show you all of their specifications and the test methods they're running with their new shiny equipment. They are just as excited about AATCC as we are on this side, and I just, you realize it's a small world. It's important to be together in this organization. I think that it makes the experience that much better when we all have like a common language. That's the test methods.